Hello everyone. Just got back from Foot Locker. I enter in a raffle, and two of my tickets got drawn, so I got the chance to pick up the Lebron All-Star Gator King, and then the Kevin Durant Kd6. So this is the first time I'm going to be unpacking here. It's not a full review or anything like that. It's just kind of unpacking, looking at the shoes and all that. So we'll go ahead and start with the KDs. A lot of it's the graffiti colored, and it's glow in the dark. Soles at the bottom. What else do we get? Oh, we also got the KD cards, a little bent. And then we're gonna go up and open the LeBrons. These are size 11, so they're probably gonna be a gift, or I'll sell it to somebody that I know that wears the size 11. Unfortunately, that's not my size. See the little designs that are on the shoe. I'm gonna ship you a card. And there you go. These shoes will be worn by Kevin Durant and LeBron James Sunday night at the All-Star Games. Hope you enjoy it, and sorry it's not a full in-depth review, but just more of a unboxing of the shoes and taking a look at them. Hope you guys get a pair yourselves too.